Oh mate, he's back. Hey buddy. Yeah, no, they'll be hanging around here somewhere. Haven't got a sausage today, buddy. Wish I did. So I reckon you look like you want one. Yeah, g'day guys. Dinkidi digger here. Down the beach, as you can hear, down near the rock pool, about 200, 300 metres up the beach is where I found the rings the other night. So let's see if we can, what we can find here. Yeah, first dollar of the night, guys. I got a 5-cent coin first, then coin school of 2.20, and I picked up the dollar. I commented the other day on Michael Swan's about his monster truck, and guess what? I said I'd love one. And look, awesome. Can't believe it. It's a ripper. Anyway, first of many, hope friggin' believe it, guys. 2 foot away, I found another one. That's awesome. It's a grave digger. And it's another grave digger, but yeah, how's that, eh? I come down here looking for these suckers and didn't expect to find monster trucks, but hey, two's cool. It's been about half an hour since I got those 2 monster trucks. Very quiet down here today. I don't know why. It was a nice day yesterday. It wasn't too good today, but yeah, $2 coin, guys. First one for the night. It's very quiet. Very, very quiet. I think I've said that. Another $2 coin, guys. Number 3 for the night, guys. Hot Wheels. Clean up when I get. Yeah, g'day guys. Dinkidi digger again. This is the crap that I picked up. It's the usual stuff. Got a zipper, and then I got its other parts. Nice fork. 1 Hot Wheels car. 2 monster trucks. A spade. And I got $1 coin, 2 2s, 50, 4 20s, 2 5s, 3 10s. It's pretty quiet down there tonight, as I've probably said many times through this video. So anyway, that's life. Catch us all later.